Welcome, here I've got TCL 20 Pro 5G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on auto photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner button to open the advanced camera settings. Now we have to slide a little bit down to the general category, and here we can find the grid option. So by using the button from the right we can easily turn on and turn off the camera grid lines. Now let me keep them turned on, and let's move back to the camera. Here in the preview now we have these lines. They are useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition at our picture. And of course remember that these lines are not visible at the real photo, so when I take a picture and when I go to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see them at the real photo, so the grid lines are only to help us taking better pictures. And of course when we don't need it, we have to move back to the left corner settings, slide down to the general and pick the grid button to turn them off. So for now, when we move back to the camera, the grid lines have gone in the preview. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.